students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we have to find out the inverse of the matrix if exist. So we are given the matrix A. This is 2 minus 2, 4, 3. So this is the matrix which we are given here. We know that A inverse is represented by A, and A inverse is equals to 1 divided by the determinant of A, which is multiplied by the adjoint of A. So in order to solve this, we firstly have to find out the adjoint of the matrix A. So we know that the adjoint of matrix A. Now I am going to tell you the shortcut when we are having 2 cross 2 matrix. So we can say that the adjoint of that matrix become equals to change the element of column A11 with A22 and that of A22 with A11, and the elements of A12 and A21 will remain at their position, but their sign will change. So we can say that the adjoint of this A matrix become equals to 3, 2, sign of minus 2 become equals to plus 2, and 4 become equals to minus 4. So this is the adjoint of the matrix A. We have to find out the inverse of the matrix. Basically, this is our adjoint. Now, inverse of the matrix. In order to find the inverse of the matrix, firstly we have to find out its determinant of A. If the value of A determinant is not equals to 0, then we can say that it exists. If the value of A determinant become equals to 0, then we can't find its inverse, or inverse does not exist. So determinant of A is equals to, we are having this matrix that is 2 minus 2, 4, 3. So its determinant become equals to 2 multiplied by the 3 minus of minus 2 multiplied by the 4. So 2 multiplied by the 3 is 6, minus of minus 2 multiplied by 4 is minus 8. So minus become equals to plus 8. So this from here is equals to 14. So we are having the value of A determinant, that is 14. So A inverse is equals to 1 divided by the A determinant, that is 14, multiplied by the adjoint matrix. So adjoint matrix is 3, 2, minus 4 and 3, 2, minus 4 and 3. 3, 2, minus 4 and 3. Now this is the A inverse. This is the A inverse of the matrix. So we can say that A inverse is equals to 1 divided by 14, 3, 2, minus 4 and 2. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, use the basic concept of determinants. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.